Hi YouTube. So I recently bought the Sire J5, and while it is a very good guitar, I really love it. It has one downside, and that's the bridge. Like, it's a vintage style Jazzmaster bridge, but it comes with all the downsides of a vintage Jazzmaster bridge. For example, the rattle. If you can see the screws, if I play the strings, you can actually see the screws coming undone even. That's also what's causing the rattle. So in this video I want to show you how to replace the bridge for a different one. So this is the replacement bridge. It's a no brand version. And what you have to take into account is the post distance between these two posts. I found out that it's 73 millimeters. And the radius you also have to take into account. In this case it's 9.5 inch. So here you can see the old and the new bridge, and they align in terms of width. Let me put it like this. 73 millimeters. And you can also roughly see that they line up in terms of radius. What I did was set the intonation, well, roughly the same. You can see it here. And I will pop it into the guitar. Remove the plastic while we're at it, like this. So the new bridge is in the guitar. As you can see, it fits. It's a rocking bridge, by the way. And I will restring the guitar. What I also like to do during a restring is doing a little bit of graphite from a pencil in the string slot, like this. Increases tuning stability.